your events. Plug lang ako short, ayan. Miss Mau television appearances po at Abot Gamay na Pangarap po, September 21 to 22, 2023 episodes po yan. Starring Jillian Ward, Carmina Villaruel. Aired po yan September 21 to 22. June 6, 2024, aired naman Anak Jemay Prime, starring Jasmine Curtis Smith, Raver Cruz, Liza Lopez, Joy Pascual, Martin Del Rosario with Miss Gina Alahar. Aired May 18, 2024 po sa Pipito Manaloto, Jim A. Best Time Ever, starring Pitoy. And the last June 29, 2024, co-hosted with one of the casts of Pipito Manaloto, Sir John Fair. Ayan, co-host ko siya last June 29. Coming soon, Miss Mouse na Netflix po, The Bad